This is my trade in New York. How I lost $109 or 1% on my 10K pays to account. So coming to this day, I'm so bearish because Asia and London expand higher, and I see this I thought 930 will be a manipulation to this high, then reverse to this low, but this 9 a.m. candle is so big and it looks like a displacement rather than a manipulation. So I switch bias to bullish and target this high. Then I wait. We have a C2 closure here, C3, and I try to trade this C4 up to this high, but I trade in 1 minute. That's what is wrong here. I should wait in 3 minutes, and I should not take a entry today because it is No News Monday. So I see this. I drop to 1 minute, and this 10 a.m. candle makes a low into this. We have SMT with ES. Then I wait in this CISD. Then I enter in the retest. Then I'm going to break even here. But my trade is invalid. And yeah, that's how I lost.